Stop by and take a look at the 2017 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, cruise control, airbags, front knee, power brakes, trip computer, child safety locks, clock, cargo area light, electronic brake force distribution. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.